APC don't enter stage 4 of cancer level, my people, and this one they come from Governor Wike of Rivers State. They call this one, they send an interview, they interview and they ask a question about the I think the future election where they come there. They ask a different question. So the interviewer come ask and say, no, you go feel leave PDP enter APC because Governor Wike na PDP member. In can say no, say already PDP get malaria. Say how you go leave malaria enter cancer. APC get serious cancer. And the cancer where APC get, he say no be the early stage. Say this one, in fact, na the final one where doctor go tell you say, my brother, it is only God that can do it. Now waiting come outside, come tell us now, so I don't bring and come aside because this man open mouth tell us say APC don't already kill Nigeria. So I bet join me, make we listen to Dr. Wike.
So you make we no expect say you go ever defect or come out from PDP.
Come on, to go where?
Things will change. We don't say it happen.
I get malaria. My cancer they find. Why they talk like that? I get malaria. Where they easy to treat. Now one man go cancer, why I go die immediately? Which party? APC. I'm not going to talk like that. Party where don't kill Nigeria. Where we go now? Every fight where they fight my PDP, I will fight them there. If they win me, they win me. If I win them, I win them there. I think they run that, but they are not saying they don't fit to win me. I will not there. I will fight them there. But to leave PDP, we get malaria. Go APC, we get cancer. Ah. Come. And the stage of the cancer, where for APC. Now the fourth stage, where they say, doctor they talk say, it's hard. In fact, when they say, now first stage, make you call God, say, okay, it don't happen.
Are you corrupt, Your Excellency?
Nigerians. No, una know why they laugh. Because una matter. In fact, una even pass people way like corruption. Now you go see Nigeria person now they swear for person, they insult and they talk against them. May they just talk one sweet thing. Their body go just do like obono. We know they draw again. No, see una. I bring this thing outside because una they make me they laugh. Small thing where they go tell Nigeria person, small sweet thing. Hey! They go just carry their attention. They go study, do like say they don't know it. I don't just understand. So because we know like APC, already we know like for now we know APC na Buhari people. So because we know like APC, if APC person come outside can't talk one sweet thing, una go come forget everything. Una go forget say they be the enemy. See una life. No, see, just see una life. I don't say Governor Wike na PDP member. I know. But I get reason why they come outside and they talk this thing why they talk. Make una not see, no be carried away. Whether na PDP, APC, FFG, LOL, anyone, any party one one mention, they be the same team. They are the same team, my people. See who they come outside they talk. I get malaria. I cannot go to where they scan. Same people, same person where refuse to pay people salary. Now they come outside and una they clap for them, una they hail them, una they no, now una they see where they go. Una they see him. Una they clap for this man. When this same man make us they come outside, they call for justice. Say people don't die for his state. I don't just understand. I don't just understand una. River State, where no be for his state. We they cry before. Say they no pay their salary. Say this one no, that one no. Nah. After this interview, where they interview this man, my people, make una check him. He go say go meet Okrocha, go drink. No be talk then. Okay, hey, I forget say una. Many of una never even see, una never even hear the matter. The way these people they flex, I beg, put this video, make they see what they talk about. No, na see am. This one na Wike PDP, Okorocha APC. No, na see am. Same person wey come outside now come dey tell you na nonsense. Say APC get cancer 4th level. So you when you get malaria, you dey roll with person wey get cancer. Sometimes una just dey una dey amaze me. Make I speak. You amaze me. You mesmerize me. Make I speak English. These people they use us catch cruise, but una no know. They use us catch cruise. Now this kind of thing they talk say a man gotta do what a man gotta do. It is what it is. Now it be this. Una no know. This one now, he go come outside. But you know probably say they don't discuss. Say, bros, see you know say be my person. I need come outside to public to voice this thing. It's just for you people to see something. It's for you people to think that they are good people. They know what they do. Oh. At least I'm happy. Are they happy saying come outside? Come open his mouth to say yes. Say he is corrupt. He likes corruption. No, na hear am. Say without corruption, how you go say your children go school? How you go do this one? How you go take care of your sick mother? No, are they happy? But bros, make I tell you, you see this same APC where they talk about. Now this same APC go. In fact, now their cancer go kill you. This APC cancer where you come outside they talk say they get cancer. Now that cancer go kill you if you no pay these people their salary where they owe. You go sit down they flex. Your people they die of hunger. No salary, nothing. But you sabi go sit down with Okorocha, they gossip like women. They dance, they drink. Make una no they deceived though. No, they deceive. See, now politics we they talk about. These people, they know how to get in and they know how to get out. Both parties, these APC, PDP, this one, all of them, they worse past COVID-19 plus Ebola/HIV. In fact, they even worse past all of them. Una go sit down there, they go they deceive una. Small thing. No, make I even tell una know why una they clap. Una know why una they hail am. Just because this man come outside, they talk against APC. And he already knows that all of us are against APC. No, just imagine. Me and person will be friends. Okay, me and Anita will be friends. We get another friend we name as Sandra. And me, I'm not like Sandra. Anita no say I'm not like Sandra. So because Anita no say I'm not like Sandra, if she won't get my attention, it is very simple. She go just come meet me. They talk bad about Sandra. And I go like her because they talk bad about person where I already know like. See, I not just say, I get sense now. Why not they bring me down like this? I not just understand. I bring this matter so that I go open on her eye. I don't tire for now. Waiting. I beg. Now the matter be this. So whether you like her or you not like her, now the truth I don't come spill out. You understand? So drop the comment for that comment section. Share this video so that everybody go know say these people they plan something very, very important. And if you never subscribe, I wonder how you go be updated with matters like this. Stay tuned for our next story.